If you follow me on Instagram, you must already know that I started this year with Mahakal. We have already visited 2 out of 12 Jyotirlings, that is Ujjain, Mahakaleshwar and Omkareshwar. And that journey changed something inside me. So today Bagheera and I are back on the road. This time the destination is special. 2 Jyotirlings in Maharashtra, that is Trimbakeshwar where the Godavari begins and Krishneshwar, the last Jyotirling standing strong near Ellora. So good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. First of all, wish you happy new year. And here we are at Dombivli Fata with Rishi and Chintan, and we are waiting for Aniket who's coming. And as you can see, I am wearing this surgical gloves over which I will wear my riding gloves because it's very cold out here today. Technology. So, time is around 5:30 and now we are heading towards Trimbakeshwar, and from there we will go towards Krishneshwar. चलिए भाई पेंगुइन. हाय बोलते सब बोलते चल. मला द्या कैसा लग रहा है इस ठंडी में?
फटी पड़ी है.
हमें आता कसारा घाट चालू इकडे आहोत पण जामच थंडी आहे. ये सब मत बोल भाई, यूट्यूब पे डालना है. So we just crossed Kasara Ghat. It was nice, cold climate out here. As we can see, sunrise has happened just now, and we are here now taking some drone shots. Mr. Penguin will fly the a small break here. Look at this view. So 9 kilometers before Trimbakeshwar. मस्त टाइमपास करत चाललोय. 8:30 वाजलेत. 7 वाजता पोहोचणार होतो. 7. But ठीक आहे. View is nice, climate is nice, and we are enjoying the ride. Finally reached Trimbakeshwar. We parked the bikes over there. Now walking towards locker as I'm carrying my helmets and my jacket as well. So we will keep everything in luggage and move for darshan. So now we are here at Trimbakeshwar Mandir and we are heading towards pass because there is a lot of crowd as you can see behind me. Time is around 9 o'clock. We were supposed to reach by 7. बट ठीक है भाई को फोटोज निकालने थे, ड्रोन उड़ाने थे. एक स्पॉट था जिधर ऋषि बहुत बोल रहा था कि ड्रोन उड़ाते हैं. मैं बोला नहीं नहीं आगे जाते हैं. ये देखो ऑनलाइन पास निकालने के लिए भी लाइन है. सब इसके वजह से ऑनलाइन पास निकलता अभी तक हो जाता दर्शन.
ये अंगूठा लगाए, अंगूठे छाप, ये अंगूठे छाप. कसं वाटलं उठ देऊन?
So this is Godavari Nadi and behind there is Brahmagiri Hills where the Godavari river starts. And now we took a pass and now we are heading for darshan.
बाहर आई जाइए, हम लोग ने 200 रुपया वही दिए आपके.
So this is the queue for 200 rupees pass, which I think is the normal queue. I don't know. So as you can see now, the temple is under construction. It's January. I think they will renovate the whole temple. So as I was saying, this is the only Mahadev temple which is seen in 3 forms, that is Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh.
देखो ये अभी शॉर्टकट मिल गया.
ये स्कैम हमारे साथ क्यों भाई?
हमारे साथ स्कैम हुआ है. So how was darshan? Took us around 2 hours for VIP line. So please come early if you are coming for darshan And
before
avoid weekends.
and avoid weekend.
ए शहीद. कसं वाटतं मग? मजा येते की नाही? होय होय.
मसाला पापड for life. कोणाला विचारलं?
तुला एकदम.
So after our darshan in Trimbakeshwar, we headed towards Sinnar, which is around 1 hour away from Nashik. And we were going there for only one place, which is called the Kondeshwar temple, as you can see now. So we have now reached Sinnar and this is Gondeshwar Mandir, Gondeshwar temple. So here we are at Gondeshwar temple. Time is around 3:30. It's very hot, around 35 degrees now. But yeah, very pretty architecture. किती वर्ष ओल्ड आहे रे?
1200.
1200 1200-year-old temple of Mahadeva. कमेंट में बताओ गाइस कितना ईयर्स ओल्ड है. So here we are at Godavari river. As you can see behind me. We were at Trambakeshwar where the Godavari river starts, and we are now just following it towards Sambhajinagar.
रुको जरा सबर करो.
So our day is not ending. Unfortunately, one of our friend had a flat tire, and also another incident happened was that we took a pee break, and I kept my gloves on my top box, and I got on my bike and just left, and I forgot that they were on my top box, and I lost them somewhere on the highway as well. So yeah, the day is not ending. We are waiting for mechanic. Yep, right there. बीटी बोलते. किती मिनिट बाकी आहे भाई हॉटेलला जायला? 5.
गप्पा तिथे नाही जेवलो असतो डायरेक्ट
हा?
गप्पा हॉटेलला गेलो असतो ना.
नाही आधीच फ्लॅट होता पण तिकडे आधीच होता. तिकडे नशीब दिसला तरी तो.
तिथे दिसला तो.
मग तो कुठे झालाय माहितीये? त्या रस्त्यांवर खड्डेवाला रस्ता. फाइनली मेड इट टू होटल गाइस. 7:30 बजे पहुंचने वाले थे. 10:30 बजे जो शाम के 6 बजे के बाद सीन्स हुए हैं ना सच्ची कभी. हाँ पहला सीन आई लॉस्ट माई ग्लव्स ड्यूरिंग माई पी ब्रेक. सेकेंड सीन वी हॉल्टेड एट अ प्लेस फॉर डिनर और दाल खिचड़ी के नाम पे मैगी मसाला और राइस दिया था. थर्ड सीन इसने इंस्टा 360 माउंट किया है जो स्क्रू से बाहर ही नहीं निकल रहा है. फोर्थ सीन भाई का टायर फ्लैट हुआ था जो कि ट्यूब टायर है नॉट ट्यूबलेस. सो वी हैड टू कॉल अ पर्सन एंड वेट फॉर अनदर आवर और सो टू गेट इट फिक्स्ड. एंड रास्ते बहुत ही ख़राब थे फ्रॉम सिन्नर ना फ्रॉम सिन्नर टू आफ्टर शिरडी टू Krishneshwar the roads are very bad, and maybe because we took the bike route on maps, that's why. Yeah, very exhausted. We were supposed to reach by 7:30. That's it for today's vlog. I'm done. We are exhausted. हमको घर जाना है बस. Bye.
The next day.
हा कोणता आमचा ग्रुप ऑर्गनायझर आहे रे यार. ह्या टूर ऑर्गनायझर वर कधीच येऊ नका.
मला माहिती नव्हतं स्कूलची मुले
संडे आहे. शाळेची पिकनिक आली आहे. गर्दी बघा फक्त. म्हणजे असा एवढा बकवास टूर ऑर्गनायझर मी कधीच नाही बघितला आयुष्यात.
अर्ध्या तासात दर्शन होणार अशी आम्हाला आशा देऊन आणले.
गर्दी नसते अर्धा तास ना.
अरे मी अर्धा तासच केले. VIP लाइन. हमारे साथ स्कैम ही स्कैम हो रहा है. स्कैम पे स्कैम हो रहा है हमारे साथ.
वो दादी
वाह क्या लड़का है, वेरी हैंडसम बॉय, इससे तो बहुत मजा आएगा.
So our darshan's done. It took us around 1 hour for darshan, but it was very nice. As I said, we have to remove our shirts and then we can touch. This is the only temple where I think one of the 2 Jyotirlings where you can touch the Shivling. So yeah. So main objective of our ride is done. Now we will explore few other places from here. So our next destination is Ellora Caves. As you can see in front of us, there are many caves here. And the ticket is I think 40 rupees per person. And there is also e-vehicle for senior citizens to roam around the caves. Nobody knows who built it. So as you can see, there is whole mountain here. I'll show you how vast this is. And it is said that they carved out every piece out of single mountain piece. So everything, as you can see, lies between this mountain, and this whole temple was carved out from a single piece of rock. That's just crazy. It is said that this was built around 8 CE. I'm not really sure, I'll have to look it up online. And it is also said that most of the parts of this temple were destroyed by Britishers when they were ruling. So when they left the country, they destroyed most of the parts of it. So what remaining now is we have to preserve it, and we have to be responsible to maintain our culture and show the world that how rich our culture is. So we are now inside the temple, and as you can see here, there is a huge shivling inside. So pretty. As you can see, there are around 34 caves in total. So we just visited Kailash temple as we had less time, and we need to head towards Mumbai today. but all the information you can find here. We are now here at Bhadra Maruti Mandir. So speciality about this temple is this is the only temple where Hanumanji is in sleeping position. Oh, ये क्या है? दर्शन हो गए रेले है. अभी मटन थाली दबाएंगे और चिकन थाली दबाएंगे. हाँ ऐसा
अभी नल्ली तोड़ने बैठना है भाई. दर्शन हो गए ना.
बाबा कसलंच थाळी आहे. So the lunch done. It was a nice lunch. A bit spicy for my taste, but yeah, it was too good. We had mutton and Rishi and Chintan had chicken thigh. So if you're traveling to Sinnar or nearby, do visit this place. And now here are our bikes and heading home.
That was it for today's vlog. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you do, please make sure that you like, share and subscribe to my channel. And do follow me on Instagram as well. Until next time, Har Har Mahadev.